Morning guys, so paper 2 is here. Now what can I say different to what I said for paper 1? Well, first up, remember your calculator. I've had people in the past forget it, don't do that. And second of all, use your calculator in the exam. Save your brain power. Wherever there's any sort of calculating to be done, use your calculator. Now of course, a massive good luck to you all. An extra especially massive good luck to my own minions watching this. You're all heroes, complete legends. I'm really proud of you. So I've put together 3 quotes so that while you're eating your Cocoa Pops, hopefully we can get you in the fighting spirit for this paper. Let's do it. Okay, first up, you are capable of more than you know. So, maths is hard, but so are you. From my experiences tutoring, it's much more often lack of competence, not lack of ability, that lets us down. Now, I fully understand that. I was exactly the same. Try doing a degree in maths. Your life is just one big doubt. But believe in yourself. If you think you know how to answer a question, you're probably right. Roll with it. Okay, number 2, to put things in perspective, you believed in Santa for like 10 years, so you can believe in yourself for 5 minutes. Although, do me a favour, believe in yourself for the whole hour and a half of the paper. That would be awesome. Thanks. Okay, number 3. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you are done. So, I know we're all tired. I haven't had a day off for about 12 weeks now. It's getting a bit silly. I know you guys are feeling the same. In a minute, you've got the longest, most carefree summer of your lives, and this will all seem like a distant memory. So, keep pushing. In the exam, if you finish with 10 or 2 or 30 minutes to spare, don't kick back and let the good times roll. Go back through your work, try questions you haven't answered yet. Don't stop until you are done. Okay, so massive good luck again guys. Give it your all. I hope to see you back here for the reactions video, in which I'm going to let you into a little secret. Good luck, take it easy, take care.